In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import Excel into Smartsheet. We'll walk through the process step by step, so by the end, you'll know exactly how to bring your existing Excel data into Smartsheet and start working with it there. Before you begin, make sure you're logged into your Smartsheet account and that you have the Excel file you want to import saved somewhere easy to find, like your desktop or a clearly labeled folder. Once you're in Smartsheet, look over to the left side of your screen. You'll see a vertical sidebar. Near the top of that sidebar, there's a plus icon. This is your main starting point whenever you want to create something new in Smartsheet, whether that's a blank sheet, a template, or in this case, an imported file. Go ahead and click on that plus icon. After you click it, a panel or window will open showing different options for what you can create. Among those options, you'll see one labeled Import. This is specifically designed for bringing in files from outside Smartsheet, such as Excel workbooks. Click on the Import option to continue. When you choose Import, Smartsheet will guide you through the rest using on-screen prompts. Typically, the first prompt will ask you what type of file you want to bring in. Select the Excel option, then you'll be asked to locate the file on your computer or connected storage. Browse to where your Excel file is saved, select it, and confirm your choice. Next, Smartsheet may show you a preview of the data it's about to import. This is a great moment to double check that you've picked the right file and the right sheet within that file, especially if your workbook has multiple tabs. Make sure the columns and headers look correct. If your Excel file has clear column names in the first row, Smartsheet will usually recognize those and use them as column headers in the new sheet. Follow each prompt carefully, clicking Next or Continue as needed. If Smartsheet gives you options for things like naming your new sheet or choosing where to save it in your workspace or folder structure, take a moment to pick something descriptive so you can easily find it later. Once you confirm the final step, Smartsheet will create a new sheet based on your Excel file. After the import finishes, open the new sheet and scan through a few rows and columns to be sure everything has come over correctly. If something doesn't look right, you can always adjust your Excel file and repeat the import process. And that's all there is